Porsche 911 GT3 R. Porsche has designed a new customer racer for GT3 Series worldwide for 2019 based on the 911 GT3 R's production sports car. The Porsche 911 GT3 R during the development of the up to 404 kW 550 HP Racing 911, special attention was paid to particularly efficient aerodynamics, further optimized safety as well as lowering the cost of servicing and spare parts. The lightweight body design of the Porsche 911 GT3 R's production sports car featuring intelligent aluminium steel composite constructions has proven to be the ideal basis for the near-production race car. The roof, front hood and fairing, wheel arches, doors, side and tail sections as well as the rear lid and interior trim are made of particularly light carbon fiber composite material CFRP. All windows consist of polycarbonate. Powering the new Porsche 911 GT3 R is a cutting-edge 4-liter flat-6 unit which is largely identical to the high-performance production engine of the road-legal 911 GT3 R's. Direct fuel injection, which operates at pressures up to 200 bar, as well as variable valve timing adjustments of the intake and exhaust camshafts ensure particularly efficient use of fuel. Moreover, compared to its predecessor, the normally aspirated engine offers significantly better drivability and a broader usable rev range. The engine response is more precise due to 6 throttle butterflies. Power from the rear engine is transferred to the 310 mm wide rear wheels via a Porsche sequential 6-speed constant mesh gearbox with an electronic shift actuator for particularly fast and precise gear changes. As in the GT road-going models, the driver changes gears via shift paddle conveniently positioned on the steering wheel. The clutch is electro-hydraulically controlled, which eliminates the need for the clutch pedal and assists quick race starts. Typical of the 911, the weight distribution ensures excellent traction and braking performances. Porsche 911 GT3 R 2019 Porsche 911 GT3 R. The spectacular aerodynamics of the Porsche 911 GT3 R also follows the example of the road car. The distinctive wheel arch air vents on the front fairings increase downforce at the front axle. Measuring 1,900 mm in width by 400 mm in depth, the rear wing lends aerodynamic balance. The tire circumference at the front axle has grown from 650 to 680 mm. In tandem with the new Porsche double wishbone suspension, this ensures superior braking performances and consistency over the duration of the race. The brake system of the Porsche 911 GT3 R also underwent further modifications and now offers increased stiffness and more precise control of the ABS. At the front axle, 6-piston aluminium monobloc racing brake calipers combined with ventilated and grooved steel brake discs with a diameter of 390 mm ensure outstanding braking performances. Fitted at the rear axle are four-piston calipers and discs measuring 370 mm. Another development focus was on the safety features of the 911 GT3 R in order to improve pit stop performance. The 120-liter Ford 3 safety fuel cell can now be refilled from the left or the right depending on the circuit layout. The doors and the side windows can be removed. The new racing bucket seat affords pilots even better protection in the event of a collision. The seats are now bolted at 6 points. In combination with the adjustable pedal box, the driver's center of gravity is optimized and offers increased safety in the event of an impact. In addition, the driver is protected thanks to a side impact element positioned in the driver's door. which consists of a carbon fiber Kevlar aluminium construction with energy-absorbing plastic foam. The cockpit has been redesigned. All controls have been perfectly aligned to suit the needs of the driver. For the first time, the Porsche 911 GT3 R features air conditioning. This ensures ideal interior cooling and, thanks to the direct connection to the seat and driver's helmet, enables particularly efficient cooling of the driver, which in turn helps them maintain concentration and constant performance over the race. The new Porsche 911 GT3 R can be ordered immediately for €459,000 plus country-specific VAT and will be delivered from December 2018. All technical details and data are provisional until the final approval is received through FIA. Technical description: Porsche 911 GT3 R 991 General 2 concept single-seater customer race car based on the Porsche 911 GT3 R's engine, water-cooled 6-cylinder boxer engine, rear-mounted 4,000 cm 3/81.5 mm or 102 mm output, over 404 kilowatts, 550 HP without restrictors. Actual output dependent on FIA BOP. Restrictor: single mass flywheel for valve technology, direct fuel injection fuel supply, Super Plus lead-free, 2E20 minimum 98 octane dry sump lubrication, electronic engine management, Bosch MS 6.4 with integrated data acquisition, basic memory 1 GB, max 100 freely selectable channels, race exhaust system, motorsport catalyst and country-specific pre-silencer available, 6 electronically operated throttle valves, transmission, Porsche sequential 6-speed constant mesh gearbox, mechanical slip differential with external preload adjustment, racing clutch paddle shift with electronic shift drum actuator, bodies held lightweight body featuring intelligent aluminium steel composite design, welded in roll cage. According to FIA regulations, removable escape hatch in roof in accordance with the latest FIA regulations, vehicle recovery system, tow points, lightweight exterior, CFRP doors with racing mirrors, CFRP rear lid with quick release fasteners, CFRP rear wing, adjustable CFRP extended front fenders and wheel arch movers, CFRP front fairing, and cooling air ducting, CFRP rear fairing, polycarbonate glazing, removable polycarbonate door windows, modified 911 cockpit, CFRP interior trim, ergonomic center console aligned to driver with digital multi-touch panel, multi-function racing steering wheel with quick release coupling and shift paddle, racing bucket seat in accordance with FIA standard 8862/2009. 6-point fixed bolting, integrated air conditioning, 6-point safety harness, CA 120-liter Ford 3 safety fuel cell with fuel cutoff safety valve in accordance with FIA regulations, and changeable left and right refueling air jack system for jacked suspension, front axle double wishbone front axle, forged aluminium control arms, stiffness optimized, high performance spherical bearings, wheel hubs with center lock wheel nuts, motorsport vibration damper, four-way adjustable anti-roll bar, adjustable biplane position, power assisted steering with electro-hydraulic pressure feed, setup changes without new alignment via shim system, rear axle multi-link rear axle, machined aluminium control arms, stiffness optimized with high performance spherical bearings, wheel hubs with center lock wheel nuts, motorsport vibration damper, four-way adjustable machined aluminium mounts, anti-roll bar, adjustable biplane position, setup changes without new alignment via shim system, brake system, two separate brake circuits for front and rear axles, adjustable by driver via balance bar system, front axle, six-piston aluminium monobloc racing brake caliper, steel brake discs, multi-piece, ventilated, deep equals 390 mm racing brake pads, twin float brake cooling ducts, rear axle for piston, aluminium monobloc racing brake calipers, steel brake discs, multi-piece, ventilated. D equals 370 mm racing brake pads, twin float brake cooling ducts, rims, slash tires, front axle, one-piece BBS alloy wheels according to Porsche specification, 12.5 JX 18 Michelin. Transport tires. Tire dimension, 300 over 680 to 18. Rear axle, one-piece BBS alloy wheels according to Porsche specification, 13 JX 18 Michelin. Transport tires. Tire dimension, 310 over 710 to 18. Electric OSWOREH color display CDUC OSWOREH longer CLU 6GB memory OSWOREH power management system IPS 48 MK to Porsche Motorsport traction control PMDC fire extinguisher system agent. Gas battery 12V 60L LiFePO lithium-ion leak-proof. Mounted in passenger footwell, multifunctional CFRP Motorsport steering wheel with quick-release coupling, digital multi-touch panel, Bosch 175A alternator regulator, Bosch Racing ABS. Generation 5 single-blade wiper with direct drive, optional Bosch COD integration, race-ready LED main headlights, rear and rain lights with LED technology, optional factory installation, IMSA kit, windshield braces, rear window braces, sensor package, FIA endurance kit, 2 LED extra lights in front, fairing clutch, fan telemetry, GSM low band, R+ motorsport catalyst depending on regulations, heated windshield, after sales options, option 1, channel extension for detail, engine data recording, fastest recording rate 1000 Hz, option 2. Data copy from internal memory of the engine data recording to an external USB stick, more options, front silencer, tire pressure monitoring system, TPMs, cockpit lighting, start number, illumination to LED auxiliary headlights, weight / dimensions, total weight, TBD bob dependent. Overall length, 4,629 mm. Overall width, front axle, 1,975 mm. Overall width, rear axle, 2,002 mm. Wheelbase, 2,459 mm. Color, body painted with water-soluble paint, white C9A. Interior, white primer with clear coat finish. Body parts in plain carbon, front and rear fairings, front lid, rear lid, doors, wheel arches. Rear wing. Vehicle price €459,000 plus country specific VAT. Porsche 911 GT3 R 2019.